Okay, let's talk about deleting parameters from models. I'm going to go turn on a couple of parameters here just so we can kind of see what the current values are. And you'll notice here that I've got an assembly and some different parts here. So if we want to go delete some parameters out of here, let's go in and say delete. And we got lots of things we could delete here, but we want the parameter delete. And by default, it's going to take the active model, and you can also use a specific parameter name or a wildcard. So for example, if I type in description and just run this, and then do a regenerated Creo, you can see that it's actually removed that. If we come in and say star.prt and run that, and then do a regenerate Creo, you'll notice that it has deleted those parameters from those models there. It is a very, very capable command. So if you wanted to come in and say, I want to delete in engineer, or basically what is the equivalent of engineer from every model that's in session, it will go off and purge that. Now, this column is here because it's defined as a column, but if we come in and take a look, we don't have that parameter in any of our models. So if we come here, you'll see that engineered by is missing. So very capable command, very useful. There is another option out here for this table parameter delete. This is a more sophisticated way of doing things. It's also a little bit easier. So if you're dealing with tables of information in Excel, you can actually use something very similar to this, but also specify specific parameters to delete within specific models. And this is typically the result of a Power Query process or something. So we recommend you look at the table variations on the parameter functions because they are very, very useful for workflow related automations.